Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. We can block the number which we've got saved on our contacts, and the second way is, I would say, more manual. So let's start with the first one. So open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and then tap on it. Then we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So it's up to you if you want to report it as a spam. Simply confirm it with tapping on block. And as you can see, in my case, for some reason this option does not work. But hopefully it's just a random problem, and in your device this way will work perfectly fine. So just try it out on your device. Of course, if you will block the number, block the contact, you can unblock it the same way. Right here you will have the option unblock numbers, and then it should disappear from the blacklist. Now let me show you the second way of blocking the number, and in this way it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Right here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and here we will have our blacklist, which is currently empty in my case, and all we have to do right now is to simply tap on add a number. And as you can see, this way is more manual because you have to enter the number. Of course you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. At the top we've got also the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically thanks to this your device will block all calls from unidentified callers. If you want to, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.